Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I have a bit of a special video today because I'm going to be featuring my daughters again, and I'm going to show you how I do their curly hair wash day routines, and also show you two simple kid-friendly styles that I like to do on their hair that are very simple and just cute to do. So I am going to be using all Diva by Cindy products today because those are the products that I have found work the best on my daughter's very curly hair. Even though these products are technically for adults, they work well on not only my hair but their hair also. So it's amazing because it cuts down on the cost. We can all use the same hair products. So I started off with their moisture shampoo, which is a sulfate free cleansing shampoo. It's very moisturizing. It's very thick, which is why I really like it. It does not strip their hair of moisture at all. So as you can see, that's how it looks once I get done shampooing. So I'm moving right on into conditioning. I'm using the Diva by Cindy Moisture Conditioner, another very thick moisturizing product, and I am just working that throughout her hair. I really love this conditioner because not only is it very thick and moisturizing, but it really just leaves her hair looking very shiny, and it's very easy to detangle when using this product. So I like to detangle their hair with the conditioner in there. So I'm taking my Tangle Teaser. I mentioned this product a couple times before. I love using this product the best for detangling my children's hair with the conditioner in it. So both combined because it just makes it so easy. There are no tears. I used to have a lot of tears. Now there are none. So I first go through with that Tangle Teaser because that really just knocks all the tangles out. And then I go in with a Denman brush. I like going in between both of these detangling tools, the Denman brush and the Tangle Teaser. They just really make it easy for me so I don't have to deal with any crying, and it's nice and non-painful for my kids. Now I just go ahead and rinse that conditioner out once I get done detangling, and look at her hair. It just looks so elongated and moisturized and just beautiful, and it's just, I love these products. It just really transforms their hair on wash day from looking dry and tangled to this. So we're all done. She's happy, no tears. This is what her curls are looking like once I dry them just a little bit with a towel. As you can see, extremely moisturized, and she's a happy girl. So we're moving on to Memphis. This is my little girl Memphis. So we're going to do the same thing to her hair.
Select a song.
Alright, so we're all done washing our hair, so now it's time to style. For Mercy, my 4-year-old, I'm going to be doing a curly mohawk. She's not a baby, but she's not a big girl yet either. So I like doing this style because this style is age appropriate, but it's not nothing that's too like babyish. It's very cute for her age group. I'm using a very wide tooth plastic comb. This is actually a shower comb. You can find it at Sally's. And I like using this because it doesn't hurt their head whatsoever because of the way it's made. So I'm going in with this Diva by Cindy leave-in detangling conditioner as their leave-in conditioner slash a detangling spray. This gets rid of any dryness or brittleness, and it adds a nice sheen to their hair and also makes it easy to comb through. Now I'm going in with my favorite product by Diva by Cindy, which is the Purr-fect Edges. This is not an edge control. You can use it for an edge control, but you can also use it for like anything else. You can use it for twists. You can use it to define your hair, to add shine, to smooth it down, to do anything. So right now I'm using it to smooth down the top of her hair, and I'm actually taking the remainder of what's on my hand and just using it to define her curls. And then I just put her hair into a nice little ponytail at the top, and now I'm going to repeat that same step on the rest of her hair. So I'm doing one more part lower than the first one to create 3 separate sections, as you can see right there, and that's going to create that mohawk effect. Then I'm going to add the leave-in detangling conditioner, add my Purr-fect Edges to smooth and to also define her curls, put it in a ponytail, and then move to the back. So I'm all finished, and I made 3 little perfect ponytails going straight down the center of her head to create that mohawk effect. Now I'm adding more Purr-fect Edges around the top of her hair, around her edges. I'm actually going to use it as an edge styler now because I'm using a edge brush, and I'm really going to smooth her hair down just to make sure those edges are nice and sleek. And as her hair dries, of course, the curls will get bigger and it'll look even more like a mohawk.
Select a song.
So now we're ready for Memphis. I'm doing a more kiddier, babyier type of hairstyle on her hair. My mom absolutely loves this style when I do it on her hair, and it's so simple to do, but it just looks really cute. Just 2 ponytails in the front and then 1 in the back. You can really switch up the style. You could do 2 in the back, 1 in the front. You could do 4. This is just a type of like quintessential baby children's hairstyle. So Memphis is 2, she's about to be 3, so this is a really cute style and easy to maintain because you can just leave these ponytails in, just make them a bit looser, and when you wake up in the morning you just redo it the same way. Her hair is parted already, and it's really simple to maintain for, I would say, an entire week, like 5 days, Monday through Friday, which is what I typically do. And then on Friday or Saturday I go ahead and re-wash their hair and do the same thing over again. So I have my first ponytail done. As you can see, her hair looks so moisturized and curly, and it's going to look like that for tomorrow and the next day and the next day. So that's why I really love these products. I'm again adding first that Diva by Cindy leave-in detangling conditioner, following up with the Purr-fect Edges, really brushing that through with the Denman brush or the Tangle Teezer, and yeah, just making sure her hair is as curly and defined as possible before I go ahead and twist it up. Alright, so this is the finished look. This is the next day. Look how shiny and defined her curls look. looks great. And all I do is touch up the sides and the front with some more of that Purr-fect edges. I love how you can add more and more of this product onto your hair for days. I would say about 4 to 5, like I mentioned before, and it does not get cakey or, you know, cause an excessive amount of buildup or anything like that, which is very convenient. So I might redo the hair ties, make them tighter, but it literally does not take long at all to redo their hair every day until I rewash it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye.